Welcome back to another video. In this video we will be solving LeetCode problem 167, two sum to input array sorted. This is a variation of two sum problem. In this problem we are given a sorted array, that is a sorted list in Python. We have to find indices of two elements such that their sum is equal to the target. The value of the elements is equal to the target. We have to return their indices. Let's start with the implementation. We will be initializing an empty map, that is a dictionary in Python, and we will have a start pointer at the 0th index, end pointer at the length of numbers minus 1th index, that is the last element of the list, and we will iterate over all of the elements from start and end until we find the target elements. So we will use a condition while start is less than end, because if start is less than end, that is if start is less than end, we are 100% sure that we have to still look further in the array. Let's see. If numbers at, let's calculate the sum first. Current underscore sum is equal to numbers at the element at the start index plus element at the end index. We will check if current underscore sum is equal to target, that is the current sum of elements at the start and end position equal to target. If it is equal to the target, we will simply return the list. Return the list with start plus 1th index and end plus 1th index. We are adding 1 to the index because it is given in the problem that the array is 1 indexed. Then we will check else if current underscore sum is greater than target. This means that the current sum is greater than target, and we have to decrement the end pointer by 1 because the array is sorted, and we are definitely sure that by decrementing the end index we will have the sum less than the current sum. We will decrement the end pointer by 1, else we will increment the start pointer by 1. Return an empty list. And if the current sum is less than the target, this means we have to increment the start index. Let's submit the solution. Okay, the Python has elif, not else if. Let's submit our solution and let's see if our exception is accepted or not, if our solution is accepted or not. As you can see, our solution has been accepted, and let's go through the code once again. First, we are initializing an empty dictionary. Then we are initializing two pointers at 0th index and last index of the list. Then we are checking if the current sum of the elements at start index and end index is equal to the target or not. If it is equal, return the indices. Else, if current sum is greater than target, decrement the end pointer by 1, else increment the start pointer by 1.